Here on campus, we have a significant number of students who live on campus, but we have an even greater number of students and faculty and staff who come to campus each day by vehicle or by public transportation. What across the spectrum of the folks who are part of the UNC Charlotte community constitutes being prepared for winter weather? And no matter how good we are in thinking that's a great idea, how many times does that first snow and ice come and we don't have the scraper in our car, that kind of thing. But what kinds of things do we advise and remind in a friendly way everybody who's part of UNC Charlotte to do to be prepared for winter?
Well, I think first and foremost, it's being aware of the situation and what's going on. I think one of the other things when we talk about sort of the differences between Charlotte and where we're located geographically that's different from places where people may come from is that a lot of times we are right on that snow, ice, rain line. So where you might see the northern part of the region or the county getting a cold rain, the southern part might be getting a heavy snow and sort of everything in between. Right. So understanding that, I think the conditions where you're at currently could be far different than the conditions where you're going.
We'll talk a little bit more about the impacts on the campus community and what that means, for instance, to class schedules and work schedules and that kind of thing. But let's just touch briefly on some ideas for more information, where people can go, and maybe use adverse weather as a way for some folks to familiarize yourself with the fact that your office is here on campus and some of the things you do. Where do we go?
Yep. So the website that we're working on sort of rebuilding and building out our outreach and marketing materials is emergency at .uncc.edu and then /Niner Ready.
We thank our guest, Chris Gonyar, and we want you to stick with us here inside UNC Charlotte for much more to come. And Chris, again, thank you for being with us.
Thank you.